Welcome to my channel. I am Professor Kodandaramaiah. In this channel I produce videos on abroad education for the latest technologies. In the present video I would like to talk about the University of Arizona. Everywhere you are, the University of Arizona is helping international students like you stay on track towards your US degree. Wherever you are in the world, Arizona University enrollment counselors will create a customized plan for you with flexible and affordable options. And here you can have micro campus studies and online studies. You have different options. Level of study: graduate studies, undergraduate studies. You can have global experience, earn a full Arizona degree at a micro campus location near you in your country. Main campus transition: can't make it to Arizona? The counselors are ready to help you. Start at one of the global locations and finish your degree in the US. Fully online. Earn an Arizona degree fully online anywhere. Flexible transfer credit. Take courses to keep your US degree on track. Online bachelor's. The University of Arizona is open. On the main campus, the professors are offering classes in 4 learning modalities: in person, flex in person, live online, and iCourses. Students enrolling now can choose class schedules to best meet their health and learning needs. You can enroll on main campus from outside the US under recent student and exchange visitor program guidance. There is no restriction on the number of online classes that count toward full-time enrollment. New and continuing University of Arizona students can enroll in 100% online coursework either on the main campus, in Tucson, or through their global locations. Contact an enrollment counselor for more information. Global experience: the University of Arizona offers programs at unique locations called micro campuses across the globe, so you can earn a full US degree or Arizona credits in a city near you. Each micro campus offers something special tied to the specific space. Their micro campuses are on university campuses offering a full college experience, or in residential communities offering a safe and engaging community where you can live and study. You choose your global experience. Customize your education too. Participate in a dual degree program. Earn a full Arizona degree online, or take courses to prepare you for virtually any undergraduate major in the US. Browse Arizona University global locations for the experience that is right to you. Customized degree paths: want to eventually study in the US? Haven't decided on a major? As an incoming freshman, earn University of Arizona credit at a university near you or fully online, then continue your degree in the US. Choose from pathways that prepare you for virtually any major. Take courses online from Arizona professors as you enjoy global location facilities, activities, and in-person support. When you are ready, the professors will help you transition to the main campus in Arizona or to any other US university. The university offers scholarships to high performing students who continue at the main campus, fully online. Whether you want to complete a full bachelor's degree, graduate degree, or graduate certificate, the University of Arizona Global has plenty of high quality online options. Choose from more than 40 undergraduate degrees and 20 graduate programs as you enjoy a flexible class schedule from your home country. Substantial scholarships are available in many regions and countries through Arizona University partners. You may also study abroad at the main campus in the US for a semester at a special rate. Flexible transfer credit. Undergraduate student. In addition to the customized degree paths, their global locations allow you to earn credit that you may be able to transfer to another university in the US. As a non-degree seeking student, over 1,000 courses are available to you. Graduate students. In India, we call it post-graduation. There are non-degree credit options in nearly all of the graduate programs offered through the global locations. Contact through email international@arizona.edu. WhatsApp number +1 520 621 7524. Address: the University of Arizona Global Center, 615 North Park Avenue, Tucson. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you very much. Share among your friends.